Move over Mozart and back off Beethoven. These students are hitting all the right notes. You're looking at some of the best young musicians in the country. Yep, the best. They've all been picked to take part in this super intense 2-week band camp run by the Australian Youth Orchestra.
I got into music because when I was little, I did lots of hobbies, like I was into sport, I did dancing for a while, and music was kind of just another thing on the side. But as I got older, I really appreciated music more and more, and I grew a lot more serious about it. And I'm very passionate, and I decided that I'd like to do that for the rest of my life.
These musicians in the making have given up their school holidays to spend 6 hours a day practicing and performing and learning the different roles in an orchestra. If you're not familiar with the inner workings of an orchestra, then take a look at this. Different instruments are grouped together and work together, like violins, bigger string instruments, woodwind instruments, and percussion. The lead violinist or concertmaster sits here. They're the second in charge, helping to lead the rest of the orchestra. In this case, that's Leanne.
Being in the concertmaster seat, it does come with a lot of responsibility, and you have to know your part very well, and you have to be a solid player.
But let's not forget the all-important conductor. They're not just waving their hands about. They have to know the music really well, set the tempo, and tell sections when to play. It's a tough job that some of these musos are here to learn. While this music camp is obviously serious business, it's also about learning to work as a team and making new friends.
I think just really enjoying making music with everyone and definitely meeting new people, and it's something really special that you won't experience ever again in your life. Yeah.
And if you're interested in getting into music, the advice is just go for it.
Pick up an instrument, even if you don't think you'll be doing it for the rest of your life. It's always good to have something on the side. Yeah, I think music is for everyone, and everyone can get something out of music, yeah.